Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings. Next you have to go to the About Phone section. Here you have to find the line build number, which is located at the bottom of this section. And what you have to do next is to tap it with your finger several times until you get the message, "You are now a developer." And now you can access your developer options from the System section, Advanced, and here you have developer options. As you can see, there's pretty much of them here. So you can also disable developer options here, and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.